Welcome to this video. This joint project of the Iowa Legislative Services Agency and Drake University Law Library is intended to teach the public how to find information on the Iowa Legislature website. For additional information, please see the video description. This video demonstrates how to find an Iowa rulemaking document by its citation using the Rulemaking Document Quick Search box. Iowa governmental agencies create administrative rules that implement or interpret law, prescribe policy, or describe the agency's organization, procedure, or practice requirements. Agencies must follow the procedures of Iowa Code Chapter 17A, the Iowa Administrative Procedures Act, when creating or modifying rules. Rules are assigned an Administrative Rules Coordinator, or ARC, number to track the rulemaking process. If you already have the citation or number for the rule you want, the Rulemaking Document Quick Search box is an efficient and quick way to find a rulemaking document. As an example, I will locate this document, which I found cited as ARC 3449C. First, I find the relevant Quick Search box. An ARC is related to Iowa administrative rules, so I choose the Iowa Law and Rules tab. From the main page under this tab, we can see the Rulemaking Document Quick Search box is on the right-hand side. The ARC part of the citation is already entered, so I just need to add my number, in this case 3449C, and then click Go or Enter on my keyboard. In a new tab, the browser shows this complete document. If the content does not open, the pop-up blocker in your browser may have prevented it from opening. This illustrates why it's a good idea to turn off your pop-up blocker when using the Iowa Legislative site, or add www.legis.iowa.gov to your list of safe sites. At the top of the document, we can see that this ARC is related to the Transportation Department, and its status is adopted and filed. There is a brief explanation of the purpose of the rules. They are being adopted to comply with changes to Iowa Code Section 321.20. related to electronic application for vehicle title and registration. Scrolling down the PDF, we can find an earlier ARC number, 3306C, which published the Notice of Intended Action for these rule amendments. The full text of the rules follows, along with their effective date. Note that it is possible that these rules could have been amended again after this ARC was published. The current form of the rule should be found in the Iowa Administrative Code. Because this document opened in a new tab, I cannot use the back arrow to return to my prior content. However, I can select the previous tab, labeled Iowa Legislature, to return to that page. Thanks for watching. Links to the other videos in this series can be found in the video description.